Welcome to Super 8 Grants Pass. Situated off I-5 near Highway 199 and Exit 58, near many local wineries and everything that the Rogue River has to offer. Our commitment to consistency means you'll get the same positive experience as past reviewers. Find plenty of outdoor recreation at Rogue River, including whitewater rafting, jet boating, and kayaking. All of our well-furnished guest rooms are comfortable and exceptionally clean. Explore the wine tasting opportunities at Applegate Red Winery or Woolridge Creek Vineyard and Winery. You can also hike on Rogue River Trail, golf at Dutcher Creek Golf Course, or take in Crater Lake National Park or Oregon Caves National Monument. When you stay with us, you can depend on comfort, affordability, and convenience. www.super8grantspass.com